welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another awesome video. So today is my very first video, and I just wanted to say that you don't have to be amazing at YouTubing and being a YouTuber. You can just be who you are, and you can maybe get some subscribers from that. So I would be really appreciated if you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another video. And today is just going to be a wee clip about me and about so I can know you guys, and I'm just going to show you what my YouTube channel is going to be about. So first things first, my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel is going to be about like me and you guys, and like it's going to be I'm going to be telling you guys how to start your own YouTube channel and how to start recording on a Dell laptop. This is all on Dell laptop, so if you don't have a Dell laptop, go skip to another video, but if you do have a Dell laptop, keep on watching. So what you want to do, first of all, is you want to move your, so this is the screen that you should have, not the background, like you should have like all this. And to see if your mic's working properly, all you need to do is go on to this. Sometimes it will come up with this down here, but yeah, so I have to click that. Right click it, and it will say record devices. And I was on that last, so yeah. This should be a tick, and it's speakers, and I do have speakers back there, so I have speakers, and if you don't have speakers, then you're fine, you can still record, but I just have speakers. And if you go into recording, it will say microphone, and it will say the volume of my microphone, and it just shows a lot, like more than you would expect. So you want to just right click that and show this shows that, and that's what it should be. If you tick on that, then it's not good. You want to right click it and show not that. So if you go into it, then you should just show that. So basically that's how you do it, and you can just go okay. And yeah, so this was just a little clip of a video about me. So I love playing Roblox. I will be playing some Roblox in my videos, and yeah. So if you guys want more videos, I will give you more videos. So today I'm just going to introduce myself and tell you guys a bit about me. And nope. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another awesome video. So today what I'm going to be basically showing you guys is how to see if your microphone's working or not. So basically I am new to YouTube and it's my very first video, and I was just wondering if you could hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That would be so appreciated. And yeah, so today's video I'm just going to be talking a bit about myself, and so I get to know you guys and you guys get to know me. So my favourite hobbies are gymnastics, swimming and football. I love every one of them. I cannot choose, but I just love them all. And if you guys love any sports, comment down below your favourite sport. And yeah, I do play Roblox, and I will be playing some Roblox in my other videos. So yeah, so if you play Roblox, then definitely get your user down below, and I will give you a shout out, and I'll add you on Roblox, so we can probably do a video together. So today what I'm basically going to be doing is showing you guys if your mic is working. So first of all, what I wanted to say was, don't be like afraid to do videos and you think that people are going to be mean. Just be who you are and love yourself as much as everyone else does, because you don't need to have all the equipment to be a proper YouTuber. You can have any equipment that you want. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys how to see if your mic's properly working. So what you want to do is this is all on a Dell laptop, so if you don't have a Dell laptop, then you probably cannot do it. So what you want to do is you want to click on this. Well, if you don't have it, this sound bit will speaker, and mine's on 79, sorry, it's really high, but this should be down here, but if it isn't, then it will be in this. So you want to right click it, you want to go into recording device. I was on that last, so that's why it's like that. So speakers, I have speakers back there, so that's why I have that. You don't have to have that as a tick, but yeah. So now you want to go into recording, and it will say the height of your mic, and as I gradually go louder, it starts going up. So this should be a tick, and if it isn't, just click on that, and it will say show devices, make that a tick. So yeah. So in my next videos, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start your own YouTube channel, and yeah. So basically today I'm just going to be saying a few things that you guys may have not known about me and on a Dell laptop. So here is 5 things you probably didn't know about me. I actually love cookie dough, and it's just so yummy. And yeah, next thing about me that you probably didn't know is I have a brother and a sister and a dog and a mama and a dad. My sister will be in my videos sometimes. And yeah. So next thing is I actually go to I forget what it's called, but I actually go to like at home I practice so much on getting all these things right. Like I want to be like an electrician when I'm older, so I basically practice and I go to this room right here and practice and see what I can do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm basically just going to maybe I'm just going to show you guys how to get your own recording device and to show you guys how it really works. So what you want to do first, if you want to get this webcam up, is you want to go onto Google, search up screen, if you're on it, so screen, so just copy in what I just did there, let it run, and then yeah. So while I'm waiting for this to go, I just wanted to say that you don't have to be amazing to do YouTube. You can be who you are, and you are probably the most amazing people in the whole world, and you don't have to be afraid of it. So in my next video I'll probably be doing showing you guys how to do it, because my internet's not really good right now. So yeah, I just wanted to say that I am new to YouTube. I love it if you use code Anna in the item shop on Fortnite, and I'm going to be doing about Fortnite sometimes. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another video. And before I say anything, if you really want to do it, and I know you do, you can be part of the Puppy Squad. If you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and then you comment down below that you did do it, then I will put you guys into the Puppy Squad, and I will add you as a friend on Roblox and probably Fortnite if you do your user below. So yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Probably I'm really excited to do lots of my videos, but if you guys are excited, then I'm excited. And if you guys are a big fan of lots of people in the whole world, then be who you are. That's who you love. And I just wanted to say that you don't have to be amazing at YouTube and do everything. I just think that you need to be who you are. Okay guys, so thanks for watching my YouTube video. I will see you guys next time. And I will be doing another video. I'll probably be posting every single Monday to Saturday to Thursday. So yeah guys, bye!